Hi, I'm James with JNC Home Repair. Today I'm going to tell you how to buy siding. They have a lot of different varieties of siding out there these days. A lot of siding that you see is the 4x8 sheets that already have the cedar mill grooved out into them, where it actually looks like it's got a grain look to it. Some of them are smooth. And then they have the lap siding, which are usually 1x12 pieces, maybe 1x8, 1x10. They have a lot of different sizes, and then they also make it in a lot of different materials now. Older siding is usually made out of some kind of fiberboard, and nowadays a lot of people are going to the hardy plank siding. Basically, what a hardy plank is, it's a concrete. It's basically made out of concrete materials, and it's a lot more weather resistant as far as moisture. It won't rot out. It's actually guaranteed, I believe, for 25 years without rotting, or it won't absorb moisture. It won't absorb anything like that, like your fiberboard will. If your fiberboard siding is not painted correctly, it's gonna, the paint's gonna start peeling off of it, and then it's gonna start absorbing moisture, and it's gonna start rotting out, and then that's where people get into where they're having to start replacing their siding. So that's just a couple things to consider when you're buying siding. What type of siding you prefer. The lap siding that actually runs horizontal on your house, and then you have the 4x8 sheets with the mill that makes it actually look like it's vertical siding.